Welcome. I'm Talia Stanky and I'm an archives assistant here at RC, and this is the third video in our tutorial series introducing the now available RC Conservation Archives website. In this video, we'll talk about some of our archival policies that are relevant to understanding how users can engage with our information. To start, you can find our archival policies if you start on the home page for the archives and then go to the top here, this drop-down menu, and click Archives Policy. This will take you to the page which explains information related to our open access, our privacy, and our takedown policies. Openly accessible material is a top priority for the RC Archives. In line with this mission to sustainably ensure open access, we've applied a Creative Commons license to all material within the Conservation Archives. All published records are freely available and accessible for public research and use under the terms of the CC or Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial Share-alike International License. This means that you can non-commercially use and adapt RC's archival content given that you provide accurate credit within any produced work. In order to do this, you can view the rights statement and the CC license on each individual record page, which will give you directions for how to use and credit properly. If you're interested in learning more about the CC license and the terms and conditions for using our content, you can click here. If you're interested in obtaining a high-resolution reproduction of a particular record or in using our RC's archival material for commercial purposes, you must request permission by contacting archives@rc.org, as copyright restrictions do apply. This section on collection information provides a little bit of context for the publication process and the different sources that we used to create record information within different fields, such as topic or location. Our privacy policy covers RC's guidelines for ensuring that personal or sensitive information will not be shared or published on our Conservation Archives website. And our takedown policy references a mechanism for which users can report suspected violations of RC's privacy policy. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial, and follow RC's social media pages to stay updated on when you can expect to see more content available on our Conservation Archives website.